Hello, good day, and welcome to Thinking and Working Mathematically. Again, we consider the topic number once more. But today we are looking at the number of balls in a bag, where you have different colors of balls. How do you know the total number of balls based on the available information? Balls everywhere. So let's continue. Remember, this is Math and Science Clinic Daily for children ages 7 to 12. Please, parents, do well to follow our social media handles. Please join our WhatsApp group and, very importantly, share this video to as many parents that you know whom you believe can benefit from this video. It helps you prepare for your Cambridge checkpoint examination, for your entrance examination to any secondary school, whether Jesuit Loyola, whether Graceland, you name it. The videos you have here will prepare your kids very well for any such entrance exam. Imagine solving problems one video every day, one problem every day. How much they will have learned in a year. Let's move on. Thank you. Question. There were 2 times as many red balls as blue balls in a bag. When 100 balls were removed from the bag, the number of blue balls in the bag now is 3 times the number of yellow balls in the bag. Given that there were 8 times as many red balls as yellow balls in the bag, how many balls were in the bag at first? Wow, at this point, you may want to pause this video so you could copy the question into your study book or your lesson notes. Thank you. So let's move on. You have to solve it line by line. That is one statement before the next statement. The first statement says, there were 2 times as many red balls as blue balls in a bag. What does that mean? So you say the number of red balls is 2 times the number of blue balls. Remember, 2 times as many red balls as blue balls in a bag. So there you have it. Let's say if the number of blue balls is n, it means the number of red balls would be 2 times n, which is 2n. Then we go to the next statement. When 100 balls were removed from the bag, the number of blue balls in the bag now is 3 times the number of white balls in the bag. Removing 100 balls from the blue, 100 blue balls, that means you have n minus 100 now. Remember, you have n blue balls, so you take out 100, that's n minus 100 blue balls left. But the statement says this value is 3 times the number of yellow balls. Okay, it means that the number of yellow balls is n minus 100 divided by 3. There you have it. Now let's look at the final statement and the question. Given that there were 8 times as many red balls as yellow balls in the bag, how many balls were there in the bag at first? 8 times as many red balls as yellow balls in the bag. What does that mean? It means the number of red balls is equal to 8 times the number of yellow balls. That is 8 times n minus 100 divided by 3. Remember, we got the value of the number of yellow balls as n minus 100 divided by 3. So this final statement gives you this. So how do we put it all together? Let's go. From the first statement, remember we have this. Number of red balls is 2 times n. Now from the last statement, remember, we also have this. Number of red balls equals 8 times n minus 100 divided by 3. So look at the two lines. Number of red balls equals 2n. Number of red balls equals 8 times that. It simply means, now if you're looking closely, that this is the same as this. Look at it again. Look at the line. This is the same as this. So all you do is to equate it as 8 times n minus 100 divided by 3 equals 2n. What do you do next? You see the brackets here, the parentheses? You simply remove it. And when you clear the brackets, this 8 goes up to multiply this. So you have 8n minus 8 multiplies this, 800. But it doesn't affect the denominator. Whenever you're clearing brackets involving a fraction, the number outside only multiplies all the values at the numerator. It doesn't affect the denominator. So this you have 8n minus 800 divided by 3 equals 2n. Here you have 3 as a denominator, but you want to clear this 3. So all you need to do whenever you have such is simply multiply both the left hand side and the right hand side with the denominator. So this gives you 8n minus 800 divided by 3 times 3 equals to n times 3. So this 3 cancels this 3, and this 2n times 3 gives you 6n. So you have 8n minus 800 equals 6n. This has n, this doesn't have n, this has n. What do? It's simple. Please, you simply move this that has the letter to meet with the other value that has the letter. This is positive. Take notes, there is no sign there, so it means positive. Whenever a positive number crosses the equality sign, it changes to negative. And this value that doesn't have the letter n, you move it to the other side. So you have 8n minus 6n equals a negative number now crossing over becomes positive. So that gives you 8n minus 6n equals 800. 8n minus 6n would give you 2n. So if 2n is equal to 800, how do you get n? You divide both sides by 2. Take note, you have a letter multiplying a number to give you another number. To get the value of the letter, simply divide by the number that is attached to that letter. We would call that number the coefficient in elementary algebra. So you say coefficient of n is 2. So you just divide both sides by 2. 2 cancels 2. 800 divided by 2 would give you 400. N is 400. Now it's easy. We can put it all together. It means the number of blue balls is 400 and the number of red balls is 800. 2 times, remember? So 2 times 400, 800. But then the number of yellow balls is 100. How? Remember? N minus 100 divided by 3. So 400 minus 100 is 300 divided by 3. What do you have? 100. So the total number of balls at first would give you 800 plus 400 plus 100. That is number of blue balls plus the number of red balls plus the number of yellow balls. And that gives you 1,300 balls. Thank you. This is the answer. At this point, you may want to pause this video again, go back, slide timing by timing to understand what has been done. Watch it over and over again and copy the steps into your book. And when you're done, we have a problem for you to solve. Yeah. Now it's your turn. Pause this video and copy the question so you can solve. You are the star. Thank you. Remember, you can always share your answer via the WhatsApp on the screen. And if you have any issue, you can always reach us via the same number on the screen. Thank you.